G'day everyone. What I'd like you to have a go at doing today is making a colour wheel out of objects. So it's using found art, using objects throughout your home which are coloured. It's a fun challenge to see how many objects and what coloured hues you can get for your colour wheel. Now hue is a pretty cool art term. Hue is the name of a colour. Now when you're looking at hue, you can also have value, and value is the light and dark of a colour, and saturation, which is the bright or dullness of a particular colour. What I'd like you to do is have a look here. We've got our primary colours, which are red, blue and yellow. To get a secondary colour, if we're using paint or colours, different mediums, we have red and yellow, which makes orange. Now to make a tertiary colour, you need to take a primary and a secondary to create a tertiary colour. So you're going to take red and orange, and then you're going to make your ready orange colour. What I often do in the next lesson is, as students walk in through the door, I might give them a bit of a quiz. So I might ask a student, okay, can you tell me a primary colour? And then the next kid I might say, can you tell me a secondary colour? And then the next kid or student I might say, can you tell me how to make that secondary colour? Now you can differentiate your questions by asking, for example, what's a tertiary colour, and can you give me an example of a tertiary colour? So going back to the task is for students to make a found art piece of work with a colour wheel, and then you really want to have a go at trying to get all 12 colours represented.